Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Quail eggs are a delightful treat, much smaller and more delicate than their chicken counterparts. Due to their thin shells, handling them with care is crucial to prevent cracks. You'll want to ensure they are at room temperature if you plan to boil them, which helps prevent shocking the shell. Gather your eggs, a small pot, and a slotted spoon. These are the essential tools for a successful cook. Their tiny size means they cook incredibly fast, so precision is key. To boil quail eggs, place them gently into a small pot and cover with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a full boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat slightly to maintain a gentle roll. Cook for your desired time, either 2 minutes 30 seconds for soft or 3 minutes 30 seconds for hard. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop the cooking process and aid in peeling. This quick chill is vital. Frying quail eggs is a speedy process that yields a beautiful, often runny, yolk. Heat your pan with a small amount of fat, like butter or a neutral oil, until shimmering. Gently crack the eggs into the hot pan, being careful not to break the delicate yolks. The whites will set quickly around the edges. Cook for about 1 minute to achieve a lovely, liquid center. Season lightly with salt and pepper right after cooking for the best flavor. Enjoy them instantly warm. Peeling quail eggs can be tricky due to their thin shells and delicate whites, but a few tricks make it simple. The ice bath is your best friend here, as it stops cooking and helps the membrane pull away. Once cooled, lightly tap and roll the egg on a hard surface to create a web of cracks, but don't crush it. Then, peel them under a slow stream of cool water. This washes away shell fragments and assists in cleanly removing the membrane. Take your time, it's worth it. Quail eggs are incredibly versatile and can elevate many dishes. Their rich, creamy flavor and petite size make them perfect for appetizers, garnishes, or a unique breakfast. Try slicing them in half and adding them to a nisoy salad, or popping a whole one into a bowl of steaming ramen. For a simple treat, season a fried egg with a pinch of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. They offer a gourmet touch to almost any meal. Experiment with them in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.